Hey again, everybody. My name is Blair, back with you right here. Hey, last week everybody was talking about other places to go launch, and I had mentioned Wise County Park over here at Lake Bridgeport. It's Monday. It's June 17th, I believe, and I decided to take a drive out here and take a look. I know Lake Bridgeport is still about 3.5 feet low is what they're saying, whereas Grapevine and a bunch of the other places are all 20 foot over. But right now, I just want to take a circle around and show you. This is a nice high vantage point right here. Wise County Park is a free park. There is camping here with hookups. There's primitive camping. And this giant beach area that you see, usually the water is just basically almost all the way up to it right there. You have a little fenced in playground with old school playground stuff like we grew up with. But right over there where you can see the red Jeep and then the other SUV under the trees, the water line is usually almost right up to that. And that generally is what makes this such a great place when the water level is high, is that it's real shallow for all the kids and everybody to play. But you can see we have a windy day, see the dust blowing out there in the distance. These guys here in the FX4 truck, they just managed to launch their boat right down there. You can launch, it's really steep and you're going very, very far back down there. But of course, when the lake is at proper level, you don't have to go that far back, and the ramps are still kind of steep. I'm coming out here for the first launch of the season with the Wave Runner. Been real busy at the shop and car lot, getting cars ready to go, fixing other people's air conditioning and all the stuff that we do involved in running a car lot and a shop. You know how it goes. You get so busy you don't have time for your own stuff or time for fun. But specifically for the Grapevine Lake Boaters group, everybody that's posting there, and everything is so flooded and so high if you're looking for other places to go. This right here is kind of the head of the start of the lake over here. It's where the creeks and everything flow into it. The dam is way further, well, around the bend up there to the left. It's almost like a big channel that goes back and forth, S-turns and things like that, and then it opens up to the main body of water. Maybe next week I'm going to go down to the other side where 114 actually goes across the lake, so you can get another vantage point right there. But yeah, just a quick little tour of the area. I was going to go do a boat ramp tour and get down further down. As you can see, that boat's leaving, and if you look right past the parking lot, because we're at a high vantage, you can see that the dock area to tie up to it is still there. Tiny little dock. During the weekends, it can get crazy busy out here. But there's still generally enough parking, and generally enough you can launch. Even if you can't park here by the boat parking, there's other parking further up the way that you can park and walk back to. Hey, it still beats being flooded out, not having any ramps to go launch at. Who knows, maybe after I'm done playing for a little while right here, I might even just run down to 114 and go check out the other side, get another quick video of that. You guys tell me what you think. If you ever need me for anything automotive related, not boat related, don't be calling me about your problems with your boats. We're not working on boats at my shop this season right here. We just don't have time. But automotive related, you can reach me at Simpson Motor Company. We are on the other side of Haslett in Newark, right next door to Local Craft Barbecue, the world famous Local Craft Barbecue. Written up recently in Texas Monthly Magazine and featured on America's Best Restaurants. My number is 817-615-9600. Tuesday through Saturday, you can reach me over there at Simpson Motor Company. That's why you can't reach me on the lake on Saturdays. I'm busy working. So if you need any air conditioning work, brake work, anything else like that, or you want to buy a car, we have great starter cars for students, and we have cars for everybody, really. But what we don't have is really expensive cars. If you want something really expensive, you probably still need to go to CarMax or something like that for that. All right, you guys, I'm going to shut it down here, give mine a dunk, check the oil, and try to go have some fun and get wet because, well, it was a hot ride over here with the top down in the Jeep. It was hot enough today, I decided to leave the three-legged dog, Georgia, the Wonder Dog, at home. You guys take care. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Let me know what you think of these videos. See ya. Bye.